Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. In this video, we're going to talk about mind mapping for productivity using ContextMinds in this review and tutorial. Now, ContextMinds is a program that I actually use in order to help me with organizing content ideas for courses, if I'm doing any sort of note taking, if I'm going to do a webinar, if I have any sort of tutorial that I'm trying to come up with. A lot of times I will use ContextMinds to sort of help me come up with ideas. Now, this is great if you're looking for a mind mapping technique and you're looking for a way for you to, make more content and dive deeper into the subject matter. If you are looking for, doing this for studying, if you're a kind of person that's looking to do this for how to mind map or some type of mind mapping software, this is most certainly going to help you grow, and you're going to learn a whole lot with this particular software. Now, I really want to sort of get into the tutorial with you a little bit, but I want you to, kind of give you a rundown of this, of this software. Now, if you go over to AppSumo, right now this deal is available at a lifetime deal for you. You get a one-time payment for a lifetime benefit there. This actually has an average of 5 stars. It has about 58 reviews on it at this particular point. And this is going to help you brainstorm content ideas. If you are studying, if you're a student who is studying and you're trying to brainstorm for ideas, this is also going to help you. It's going to help you get content without a visual aid. It's like, it's going to help you with a visual aid. I stand corrected. So this is going to help you with that. So understand that. So this is going to help you even if you're trying to come up with video ideas for YouTube. This can help you come up and brainstorm for ideas and do some deep dive into keyword research and stuff like that, because this is also a keyword research tool as well. So this is a really neat tool for you. Now, just to show you, this is going to help you organize your content ideas. You're going to be able to automatically generate AI generated topics and keywords in real time. You're going to be able to drag and drop your suggestions, so you can sort of move things around on the whiteboard, and that's another reason why I like it. So maybe if I'm sort of trying to come up with a flow for my class or for a thought, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, I can sort of move things around, and I like that. I really like that part of it, okay? All right, you can create a visual mind map for your web content. You can even do that for your blog. If you're looking to get it for your blog content as well, you can do that as well, okay? Now, you can, of course, go and read it. I'm just going to give you a breakdown. You're going to get lifetime access for ContextMinds. You're going to get unlimited private maps, AI generation, chat GPT integration. This is the main stuff that's really good here. You're going to get the search results for that. And you can also do image and file uploads as well. So it's really, really cool. Now, here's the neat thing. For a single license, you get 6,000 topic and keyword lookups per month. You also get 1,500 web and AR article suggestions per month, 1,500 AI generated prompt responses per month. And this is for one user, but you get a 5 gigabyte file upload limit. Most of us are going to fall in the middle tier because you may not necessarily be doing as much research. Now, if you are a professor, if you are somewhere on the collegiate level, you're probably going to want to go with 3 codes or above, because you can do a lot more topical research and find all sorts of things. Okay, you can even find other researched papers. You can find other research papers and stuff like that. So it's really a very robust tool. But in the middle section, if you double up your code, you're going to get 12,000 topic keyword lookups a month, 5,000 web and AI article suggestions per month, 5,000 AI generated prompts a month, plus you get 3 users and 15 gigabytes file limit as well. Now, with the multiple, you're of course going to get 20,000 topic and keyword lookups a month. If you do the web, you're going to get 10,000 web and AI article suggestions a month. And if you do 10,000 AI generated prompt responses a month, 6 internal users, you're going to get 7 workspaces as well as a 30 gigabyte file upload limit. So that's pretty much the gist of it. But this is a mind mapping tool for productivity, and Context Minds is going to help you to improve on that. If you're doing studying for research papers, etc., this is a great tool in order for you to, get the best and the most out of the tool. Okay. Now, let me take you inside of my Context Minds account so that way you can see the inside of the software, and then that way you can make an even more informed decision. Now, just to let you guys know, I did make a previous Context Minds review. So if you want to go back to my original review, you can go back there and see it. And I'll put a card somewhere in the video, but just make sure that you guys check that out because I'll also be adding that in to the video for you guys as well. But let's go inside of the software so that way you can see it and see how I use it myself. So that way you guys can see it. All right, now you guys are now inside of my Context Minds account. Now I want to share something with you. This is really about mind mapping for productivity and, making yourself as productive as you possibly can. And, being able to do things a lot faster and be able to find what you need. Now, in this Context Minds AppSumo review, what I'm really trying to do is to show you number one, how you can get an AppSumo Context Minds discount, but I'm also trying to show you how to really effectively use this if you are a course creator, a content creator, or someone who is using this tool, okay? This is a great tool. Now, you'll see I have a couple of classes in here that I've done, and I do this a lot for webinars as well, so if I'm deep diving into webinars. Now, if you log into your account, this is what you're going to see. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the view because this is on something that I've already done, right? And so this is going to bring this up, okay? So this is going to bring it up in the mind mapping kind of workflow, okay? And so this is how I was teaching a class or a webinar on how to create a daily workflow, okay? And I gave them some ideas. I gave my class some ideas about how to identify your resources, list out the tasks that should be accomplished, assign roles. And so I got all of this and I did this and I put this together. And really what happened is this really helped me, and this software helped me to be able to go in here and to do this. Okay. And so this is what's really neat about this particular software. Now I want to show you guys something because you can even share this. If you click on the share button, you can get a link for sharing if you wanted to share this mind map. Now what's really, really neat, if you understand how I work, a lot of times I will take a JPEG image of this, but now I don't even have to do that. If I use this particular software, I can actually just give you guys a link to it and you can click on it and you'll have access to it. So that's what's pretty neat about this software as well. So let me go back to my maps here for just a second. All right. So if I wanted to edit this, let's go inside of editing here. And this is how you would edit this. Okay. And this is a new user interface, and I'm going to get out of this for just now. And so that way we can sort of navigate our way around here. All right. Now, if you click on this, this is going to give you your title, okay? So you see here it says creating a daily workflow, okay? Now this is going to give you, it says click to explore and drag suggested concepts to your map, okay? You've got application software, library for computing, workflow, open source, interface definition, workflow technology, importance of establishing a daily workflow, components of an effective daily workflow. So if you're trying to build out a course, God, you guys need to hear me. If you're building out a course on Skillshare or Udemy or something like this, this is an awesome tool for you to use, period, bar none, okay? You're going to get tips for creating a productive daily routine, and you're going to go down the list here. So this is going to give you so much stuff. Now, if you see here, you'll see some keywords. You can actually click on keywords here. And what this will actually do is it will give you some keywords if you're looking to dive deeper and to put certain keywords into your blog or into your content. So it's going to give you that as well. If you're looking for questions that you want to maybe include in your content, you can click on questions, and this is going to pull up questions for you as well. Like, how can you prioritize tasks effectively in your daily workflow? So this is even going to give you questions that you can answer. Okay. Now, let's say, for instance, you wanted to come up, and this is a huge hint I'm giving you. Let's say you wanted to come up with a YouTube video. You could literally go in here and find what are the most common questions that people are asking, go over and do some Google Trends research and make a video about it. So it's really, really good. You've got headings that you can do. You can look for headings and define your goals. You can pull this stuff up as well. And I'm going to do that for you in just a second. You've even got articles that you can go and take a look at, guys. You can hit on these articles, and this is going to bring up the article for you, how to create a workflow. Okay, so you can dive deeper into the study. This is a great way. I cannot stress this enough. This is a great way if you're coming up with classes and courses and things like that. This is a great way for you to do that. This is the way that I do it. And it's always a way that I definitely recommend that you guys do this as well. You can move things around. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to take this out. You could actually take it out. The reason why I have these sectioned off is because all of these things are in the row that I wanted to sort of talk about them. And I sort of link this stuff to it. Like you could talk about a Kanban software. So it'll actually go in and actually start researching Kanban software and what is Kanban. And you can go into that. If you're looking for CRM, if you want to learn what a CRM is, customer relations management tool, you can go in there and look it in there as well. If you're looking for a simple diagram that can sort of help you out when it comes to time management, you can look for that. And, you know, you got all sorts of tools that you can use. Now, in this particular class, I gave them some resources like TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Let's say you want to get some more information about TubeBuddy. You can actually use that as well. And so it is a very, very, very robust tool. Now, I'm probably going to be giving you guys another tutorial on this tool so that you can really see it. But in the meantime, I wanted to just let you know this tool is available again at AppSumo. I don't know how long this is going to stay on AppSumo, so you want to go over there and get it, especially if you want to combine it with another tool that I talk about, and I'll link to the other tool. Let me just show you. Let me show you. Now, I wanted to actually open this up here for you guys so that you guys could see. You can actually chat with the AI here. You can generate articles. You can write a Facebook post. You can do a lot of things. The same things that you could do with you can do inside of ChatGPT, you can do here. Okay, and so this is really, really neat as far as that's concerned. Now, you can type or you can select and drag items here. So if you wanted to add you know, some other things here, you could do that as well. So it's really, really neat. You can also pin some notes. So if you wanted to go back to certain notes, you can actually pin them. And for this particular class on Vista Create, I sort of had some notes pinned here. And so all you have to do is go into these notes and you can open up these notes as well. So it's pretty, really, 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 really cool for, you know, this particular software. Okay. Now, like I said, guys, this software is available right now at AppSumo at a lifetime deal. This will help you with all of your mind mapping. This can help you improve with your mind mapping. And so that way you can, you know, get the most out of your productivity. So this is really about mind mapping for productivity so that you can move faster and so that you can get more stuff accomplished. And, you know, in this ContextMinds review and tutorial, I wanted to make sure that you guys were just able to really see it, get an inside look at the software and really go after what your goals in 2024. All right. Now, if you guys are having troubles, you know, trying to mind map, or you're having a question about mind mapping, make sure that you leave me a question down below and I'll be sure to answer it. So that way we can dive deeper into ContextMinds. All right, guys. And with that being said, make sure you hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I come up with another video. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like these types of videos. All right. Thanks so very much, guys. And I'll see you in the very next video.